Hey guys, how you doing? This is Bennett Watson. Thank you for joining me on this video. And I shot this video to show you how to create content to generate leads and sales for your business. So in this video, I'm going to give you the 5 steps on how to create content to generate leads. So let's get started. So the first step is to figure out exactly what product or service you're going to market. So you're going to be clueless if you have no idea what you're trying to promote or what you're trying to sell, and you need to figure out who exactly would want to buy that product or service. And an example I always like to use, because it's very easy to relate to, because most businesses are involved with the health and wellness industry. So let's do a weight loss product. Let's say that you have a weight loss product and you want to sell that particular product. So you want to figure out who exactly would want to be buying this particular product. So obviously that would be somebody that's wanting to lose weight. So the second step would be, what kind of problems are these people having, and how could you solve that problem? Well, obviously the problem is that they need to lose weight, so they're probably looking for exercise programs or meal plans or health supplements, shakes, things like that could help them lose weight. So the third step would be how you could solve that problem for people, and you can solve that problem with your product or a particular service you have that's involved with the health and wellness industry. So what you can do with that is promote a solution, because people are looking for solutions. They're not looking to be sold. Once you provide them a solution, they'll want to buy from you. So if you have a solution to their weight loss problems, they'll buy from you. So how do we find these particular people? And you're going to want to do that through some simple keyword research. And you can find out exactly what people are looking for. So let's go to Google. And guys, I'm using a free Google Chrome app called Keyword Surfer. And you can use this to find different ideas on how to create content and what people are looking for. But you can see here, there's so many people are searching. This is a very highly sought out topic: weight loss, losing weight, lose weight, fat weight loss, lose weight fast, how to lose weight fast. And you can even go through here and read some of this content. And I'm not saying to steal it, but you can kind of put it into your own words, because obviously these people aren't the original thinkers of this particular solution to losing weight. They learned it from somebody else, so you can do the same thing and make it your own. And that's a great thing about content creation, is that you can take other people's content and put it into your own words. So look at all these different keywords that you have, and you know exactly what people are looking for. And I recommend, some of these are really high volume keyword searches, but I would recommend anything that's over 100 searches per month. Like some of these ones that are like 12,000, those might be hard to rank on the search engines. But if you're using social media, that doesn't really matter, because if you build a network of people, you can market to them, you can market to your network, and you'll never run out of ideas to create content around your product or service, just by doing some simple keyword research. And here, when you go to Google, always look at the bottom. You have all these different keywords that you can click on, and you can use that as content. because obviously people are looking for this stuff. So now you know exactly what people are looking for and what problems they are having. So that comes to my last step, which is creating content. So how exactly do you create content? Well, you're going to use the first 4 steps that I told you. You're going to address your audience, which is people that are wanting to lose weight. And you want to let them know in your content on how that your particular product is going to solve their problem. You're going to address the problem, then you're going to solve it for them, either through your product, a service. And I recommend doing like a free giveaway, like create an ebook or creating a video, something on the lines where you're giving them something away for free to join your list. Hopefully you have an autoresponder list, and have them opt in to your list, and you can sell to them through that way. They'll see you as an expert, and they'll want to buy from you. So you want to do that. You want to create content and attract people to your content and have them opt into your list by something that's going to give them value. Like I said, a free video. Maybe you can create a meal plan. Maybe you can create a exercise routine or anything. And once you create this content, or you come up with the content, there's several ways that you can market this content. You can do it through blogging, you can do it through video marketing, and you can do it through social media. And I recommend using all 3 of them. But if you're just getting started, the easiest way would probably be through video marketing and social media marketing, by building a audience on your social media account and marketing to those people that join your network. And guys, that's all I have for you. But that's the 5 steps on how to create content and how to do content marketing to sell your product or your service. And guys, I have a link in the comment section of this video. It's going to show you how to create your own products, how to create your own ebooks to generate leads for your business. So this is going to put you ahead of everybody else, because people will be attracted to you if you have your own content, you have your own products, and it's very easy to do. So click the link below. It's going to show you exactly how to do it. And please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you got value out of this. And I look forward to helping you build your business.